Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the multi-time frame MACD in the Tradingview Pine script. This is the indicator function with name, multi-time frame MACD. Then we call the time frame function to accept the higher time frame input from the user. The default value is daily. Then we accept the user input for the lengths of the fast and slow moving averages and the signal line. Then we calculate the current time frame's fast and slow moving averages. Then we calculate the current time frame's MACD and the signal line. Then we call the security function to calculate the higher time frame MACD and the signal line. Here the first argument is the ticker ID, which means the current stock name. The second argument is the higher time frame. The third argument is the current MACD and the signal line. We have written bracket 1 in front of the current time MACD and the signal line. This solves the indicator repainting issue. The fourth argument handles the gaps. The fifth argument fetches the higher time frame data and handles the repainting issue. Finally, we plot the higher time frame MACD and the signal line. We also plot the zero line. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, this is the input panel. The current time frame is daily, so I will choose weekly as the higher time frame. Now the indicator is showing the weekly MACD on the daily time frame. You may replay the indicator to check if the indicator repaints or not. So that's it. That's how you can implement the multi-time frame MACD in the Tradingview Pine script. Thank you.